So in the last video, I talked about maybe doing a video about how to edit your already automated subtitles for YouTube videos. And these are subtitles that are already generated by YouTube itself. But as a lot of people may know, subtitles that are automatically generated, or anything that like tries to pick up your voice, may it be, Siri or Google or Alexa from Amazon, sometimes it can't always understand you properly. Just it depends on your accent. It depends on, and there's a lot of different things that depend, like the sound in the room. Just everything has it. It all makes the difference. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can take the already automated, subtitles. Sorry, subtitles, and then just change the very few words that were actually missed by it. So usually for me, it gets about, like, I want to say 80 to maybe like 85 or even sometimes 90% of the words correct, and then the other 20 to like 10% is just like something that it makes sense that it would miss it. Sometimes it shouldn't know certain words, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead, and what you want to do first is go to YouTube and then go to your videos, and we'll go ahead and go to the video manager. And what you guys want to do is, just once you get all your videos loaded up, I'm going to be using this video because I already do have closed captioning. As you can see right here, I have that set up on it already, and these are my closed captions. So we want to go ahead and press on it. So you want to play it as if you were watching it.
Why not?
And we don't need a website right now. We want to pause the ad or mute the ad, skip the ad. You have to do that. And then right down here, it's not going to be selected already. That's just because I already have them made, and then I did it myself, so that's why it's selected. But it's going to be unselected. So what you want to do is select closed captioning, and then you don't really have to keep the video played. You just have to have it selected after it's already just on the video, no ads. And then you want to just right click anywhere on here, and I do want to stress that you should be using Google Chrome. It makes a lot of sense to be using Google Chrome in the first place. One, because you need it for this tutorial, because you need to use inspect element, and I'm not sure on like Firefox or Internet Explorer if they do have an inspect element. I wouldn't know about that, but it just makes sense you guys want to use Google Chrome for YouTube. I prefer it because there's so many like extensions and things you could use for YouTube. So right click and then press inspect, and then this is inspect element. So you want to go ahead and press network, and then right here it's going to start loading stuff. So if we click play, it should start to load. Alright, let's press closed captioning. Alright, there we go. So now that you have the network open, then click on the closed captioning. Alright, so what we want to get, what we want that has all the closed captions in it, is right here, timed text. So we want to get this. So what we're going to have to do is right click on it and then press open link in new tab. Alright, so these are all of the things. These are already completely fixed though, but I'm going to show you how to go about grabbing these. So we're going to press Control A to select all of it, and then press Control C to go ahead and copy all of that. So now we're going to go back and then press X on here. We're going to close out of the inspect element, and we're going to go down right here to the little pencil, the little edit icon in phone settings, and from here we're going to go down to subtitles and closed captioning. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a Spanish. That's a draft, and this was a draft that I don't know if I can delete it, but this is my published English, and then that's the one I actually made using this method. So what we're going to do to do this is press add new subtitles, and then you would press, okay, well, we don't want to do that because that'll get rid of it, but you would search up English and then press English United States. We'll do that. Okay, so now we want to press transcribe and auto sync. Okay, so now we just need to press play, and then you can pause it and then just drop your subtitles in. Okay, now like I said, these are already correct because I already did go ahead and correct these, but if you want See, it says what's going on and everything. This is correct, but if it right when it starts, all you have to do is you can keep it playing, and I'll turn the audio up a little bit so we can hear kind of what's going on. For instance, if I didn't say what's going on, we're gonna press we're gonna press play. If I said like how's going on for some reason, I would just change it. But I did in fact say what is going on, so we're gonna put that like that. I also recommend that you guys get Grammarly. It's free, the free version. You don't have to pay for it. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that aren't grammatically correct according to this. So I like Grammarly a lot. I use it on like English papers and stuff as well. And you just go in and change it, and then you want to look this. See, it doesn't know, but I'm gonna leave this in there. I did say kind of like actually, so BitTorrent, that's the correct way to put it. uTorrent, don't, and then it just makes it a little bit more formal once you got everything settled and it looks nice. I like to do this because it just makes it all look, yeah, PlayStation's the proper, so it just makes it a lot more formal looking. Doesn't put the punctuation in, but if you really wanted to go in, you could put punctuation in if you wanted to. Okay. Now this word actually got uncorrected somehow. I know for a fact that it's not catching. It's actually catching, as in catching. Okay? So now we're just going to go out of there, and it should correct all that stuff that we just did.
And hope you guys have a great weekend as well.
Okay, so we just press set timings. I'm going to go ahead and do this with you because this is the new one I want. Where I'm not going to do it all the way, but you would just go ahead and play it, and you can mute it if you want, and just let it play all the way through, and then it's going to go ahead and just set the timings automatically based on when the word starts. So it bases it off the first word, so as long as you have everything correct, you should be good. And that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope that this helps you guys be able to make videos that are more understanding. I know this is what I'm really looking forward to doing on a lot of my videos, mainly in my tutorials. I want to put these on like all my tutorials, and maybe some videos that I deem important, but you know, it really just depends on the video. But for sure I'm going to be doing tutorials. I'm going to go in and look at all the tutorials that are like from the best down, and then we'll just do it like that. So probably going to do my Borderlands one, where how to mod Borderlands 2. I'm probably going to do that one, try to get that done as quickly as possible, because I know there's a lot of different languages and stuff like that people have viewed it from. So hopefully if I can make it a little bit more understandable, that would be perfect. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.